Yo, what's going on, traders? What's up, team? I hope you're all having a lovely time. It's Rafael back again. And in today's video, I want to talk about our trading session yesterday. I want to talk about all the trades that I've shared with everybody for free in my Telegram channel yesterday. If you're not inside yet, check the link in the description down below. Join the chat. And of course, you can always drop me a private message in Telegram as well if you're looking for mentoring, if you need some help to become consistently profitable. I'm there for you to help you. And if you drop me a message, I'm going to give you my strategy ebook, the Genius Trader, Making Money in Extreme Zones, with the Extreme Zone Trading Strategy inside. I'm going to send you the indicator setup and everything that you need to make some money with this strategy, all right? This is something that you get for free, so just drop me a message in Telegram, and then I'm going to help you get on top and print some money in the markets, all right? So yesterday, guys, we had a beautiful trade on Nasdaq, and I've shared another one on Gold that I made some money on. On Gold, to be honest, I closed it a little bit early. If I would have held this one overnight, I would have made, I think easily 10% profit. I'm a little bit sad about that because I was not patient enough to hold it overnight, and I think I was like, yeah, let's close this thing, let's take a little bit of profits. But for me, yeah, my trading system, I like to take profits. I don't like to wait for home runs too long, because if the home run doesn't come and you lose a position where you could have made some money on, then I'm just sad, you know. So that's why I like to take profits. For me, was the right decision yesterday. But yeah, you know that feeling. If you see something starts flying without you overnight, on the next day, you have a little bit of regret feeling inside of you. I think everybody knows that feeling, but that's part of the game. Get used to it and don't get bothered by it, right? So yesterday, guys, I'm trading my $200,000 account, which is on 200. I started with $214,000 on this account, and yeah, it's on 251,000 now. Yesterday I made nearly 11K. So $10,800 profit yesterday with Gold and Nasdaq. And let's talk about the Nasdaq trade as first. Oh no, let's start with Gold, okay? Let's start with Gold real quick. What was happening here yesterday? I took a buy in here. You see how this thing was just keep on moving and I was not holding through. It's so sad. I thought, after we took out this high in here and after this red candle in here, I thought like, maybe this thing wants to keep on dropping. As you can see, we had a strong downtrend, but yeah, pretty significant low got taken out, and then market starts to recover now. And my target was here at around 2030, which was just hit today. But I was not holding through it, and I missed out on a beautiful trade. Guys, yeah. First of all, why I took the trade? I took the trade because a very significant low got taken out, and then the market started to recover with a clear bullish structure. So I was like, okay, let's get in. And even here on the New York session, if we go to the 5-minute chart, I can show it to you a little bit better. On the 5-minute time frame, if we take a look at the structure in here, we had a significant low, a really significant swing low from that structure, which got taken out. So a lot of stops got triggered. Then the market snapped back and bounced off of it. I was like, all right, let's jump in and move with this thing to the upside, because it was pretty obvious to me that this was just a little stop run before continuing to the upside. And as you can see, I have left so much money on the table. Oh my goodness. Anyways, let's talk about XAUUSD, which is Nasdaq. Okay, Nasdaq was lovely yesterday. Made some money. We were pretty lucky to jump out just before that stop run. Yeah, I was lucky yesterday. I had a lot of luck. Luck is part of the game, guys. And yeah. So what we had in here, first of all, I took a sell position because we had this significant high in here, And as you can see, this significant high got taken out, and then we see this strong momentum to the downside. I was like, okay, let's jump in. So I took a sell in here, took that sell, but I changed my mind as soon as it started to make like a bullish structure again. We broke structure in here with a lot of momentum, and then I started to buy this thing, got in again in here, had my safety position down below here, somewhere in this area, just in case it wants to keep on dropping, you know, so I'm safe. And yeah, but then the market was moving, and I was happy to take profits off the table around that. If I go to the daily time frame, I can show you this significant high in here. This was, I think this is the all-time high. Yeah, this was the all-time high, guys, and I was aiming for taking profits around that all-time high. This was pretty much my first target, and as you can see, I got out a little bit before that, which was the right decision. I got out in here, and then the market came all the way back, bounced off of that all-time high, strong to get out all the buyers who had their stop sitting below these. Took them all out, market took them all out, grabbed a lot of liquidity, a lot of sellers, to then boom, pop again, and yeah, move through that all-time high, create new all-time high, and it was even running to 17,100 area. Crazy. Could have holded that thing even longer, but you never know. And as I told you guys, I'm not looking for the home runs. I like to pay myself, get in and out quick, make my money, and then I'm out, like a bank robbery, you know. So yeah, that's what we do, guys. And if you need some help with trading, again, you can always drop me a private message in Telegram. I'm there to help you. I will help you to get on top, share my trading strategies, my principles, my trade management systems, my risk management strategies, everything with you. And if you drop a comment down below this video, you can participate in my next giveaway on Sunday, and you can win the Genius Trading Masterclass Course with lifetime membership inside the inner circle of our Discord group chat with all the traders from our team. Yeah, you can win it if you drop a comment. I'm going to pick one winner for this video, one winner for my last video, and yeah, let's see who is the lucky one who gets inside the Genius Trading Masterclass course, where I've put all my strategies inside. The Extremes on Trading strategy that you're going to get for free, my Telegram channel, is one of the strategies from the Masterclass course. We have 5 different strategies: the X-ray strategy, the index sniper strategy, the rich split, loading it up strategy, and the Extremes on Trading strategy. This is what you're going to learn. You can get started for just 49 euros and learn everything, get access to all that good stuff. And yeah, check it out. If you're serious about career in the markets, the Genius Trading Masterclass course is probably the best thing that you can have. That being said, guys, I wish you a lovely weekend, and I'll see you in the next video, guys. I hope you're having a lovely time. Take care. Peace.